Hey guys, Brett Johnson, Lab Manager, Superfici America. Today I'm going to show you how to go through the software on the SUPERDRY. Alright, this is the home screen of the SUPERDRY. So top left corner, this is how you clear the alarms, just unlike all of our other machines. This is the same icons. This is where you clear whatever alarms you may have. Go into this second button here with the lines. This is where you tell the machine what percentage of power you want the plates on and whether you want them on or not. This is how you can manually turn them on or off and change that amount. Home button. Here, you can also turn off each plate individually in manual mode. Recipe is where you can save multiple recipes, and this is the more automatic way to do it as opposed to going in and changing each one on their own. You can go into the recipe and you can have control of all these different plates individually. There will be another video on how to save recipes. And then again, the setting function, just like on all of our other machines, they're usually is password protected. Username's LMAG, E-L-M-A-G, password. Most of this information you're not going to want to change, but really the main thing you might want to change is the language. So that would be on the first page in that setting page. Back home, tell the machine how fast we want to run. So now we're running 3 meters a minute right now. And again, machine in line or machine out of line, off.